Are you looking for the best waterproof camera? In this video, we will look at some of the best waterproof camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Olympus Tought TG6 Waterproof Camera. With the ability to capture sharp and vivid underwater images down to 15 meters due to its extremely tough and robust design, the Olympus Tought TG6 is one of the most efficient waterproof cameras on our list for marine photographers who are looking for a camera that can shoot anywhere but still survive. Designed to maximize the photography experience for those with an adventurous spirit, Olympus's sleek and stylish looks are complemented with an extremely tough and robust build. With its dustproof, crushproof, freeze-proof, shockproof, and anti-fog features, you can take this beauty anywhere around the world. It is easy to click and take vivid photographs while enjoying snorkeling at a depth of up to 15 meters with Olympus. Plus, it can withstand a force of 100 kilograms and temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. While the fast f2.0 lens allows you to capture bright underwater shots, the macro shooting mode with 4 different presets will make you fall in love with this waterproof point-and-shoot camera. You live for the outdoors. Hiking steep mountain trails, backpacking through a desert canyon, skiing in the wilderness. The Tought TG6 is ready for adventure. It's built to endure all the extreme environments you love exploring. You can drop it, step on it, go deep underwater or out into a freezing blizzard. It just keeps on shooting awesome stills and video. Packed with pro features, you'll nail difficult shots, even in low light. Shoot intricately detailed macro photos and unique shots underwater with vivid color. Number 2. FujiFilm FinePix XP130 Waterproof Camera. Able to perform incredibly at a depth of 20 meters and withstand the shock of a fall from 5.8 feet, the FujiFilm FinePix XP130 is one of the latest models in the XP series rugged camera category from this world-famous brand and lands the second spot on our list. Hailing from the house of FujiFilm, the FinePix XP130 is a truly impeccable waterproof digital camera with the ability to perform incredibly at 20 meters underwater. Not only does it remain frozen when the temperature falls under zero, but it also exhibits excellent dust resistance, which makes it perfect for sandy beaches. Moreover, it will not break a sweat when faced with a shock resulting from a fall from almost 6 feet, flaunting an internal 5x optical Fujinon zoom lens and an intelligent digital zoom feature. The FinePix XP130 increases the zoom range to up to 10x and eliminates image degradation. To take it all up one notch, it features a 16.4 megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor that delivers excellent picture quality even in low-light environments. Number 3. AKASO EK7004K Waterproof Camera. Sporting a waterproof case that allows you to dive down to 98 ft/30 and a wide-angle lens that enables you to capture a field of view of 170 degrees, the AKASO EK7004K action camera is the best value option for people with a limited budget who do not want to sacrifice any performance. What we love about the AKASO EK7000 is that its highly effective waterproof casing makes it your adventure partner at depths of up to 30 meters. Equipped with 4K Ultra HD video recording and an excellent wide-angle lens, it allows you to dive deep and capture breathtaking underwater shots. Ideally designed for outdoor activities such as diving, swimming, and water skiing, the AKASO EK7000 has inbuilt Wi-Fi, which enables you to connect with your smart devices and share your memories on social media. This camera package also includes a splash-proof remote through which you can control the movement of your camera from a distance. You can control the action camera from a distance by using included splash-proof remote. You can switch between video mode and photo mode with ease by pressing the button of the remote. Remote is not waterproof. Number 4. GoPro Hero 6 Waterproof Camera. With the ability to transform your adventures into incredible quick stories right on your phone thanks to the GP1 chip and next-level video stabilization, the GoPro Hero 6 is one of the most efficient waterproof cameras for sharing life as you live it. The GoPro Hero 6 comes with a new and improved GP1 chip designed for high-speed capture, which produces sharper pictures and allows you to shoot high-quality videos in 4K HD and 1080p 240 as well as take photos with 12MP. With a 2-inch display screen, optimized UI, and a touch zoom feature, photos can be proficiently framed, settings can be easily selected, and footage can be played back smoothly. The GoPro Hero 6 provides a trouble-free experience by transferring your photos and videos directly to your phone or tablet. Moreover, you can use the app to quickly transform your raw footage into edited videos. It also provides you with the much-wanted combination of stability and waterproofing underwater. Number 5. Nikon W300 Waterproof Digital Camera. Tough as nails and designed for the extremes, the Nikon W300 can capture 4K video, 16MP photos, time-lapse movies, and more in the harshest conditions and is the perfect choice for those who want to continue recording while being part of the action. Offering amazing waterproofing up to 30 meters, this water-resistant camera from Nikon is ideal for those who want to dive a little deeper. For this camera, durability is the name of the game. It resists extreme temperatures, shock, and dust while allowing you to capture vivid photos and make 4K videos, time-lapse videos, super-lapse videos, and even music montages. The incredible Nikkor lens with 5x optical zoom, telephoto power, and hybrid VR image stabilization ensures that your photos turn out perfect. Plus, the inbuilt GPS, e-compass, altimeter, and depth gauge assist you in navigation and ensures safety.